And welcome back. So now we're going to talk about adding content to the videos category. It's very similar to adding content to any of the other categories, but there is a little extra twist when it comes time to actually embedding the media. So we are going to do that. We're going to go ahead and say new post. And it's going to take a moment to load the new page. We're going to say test video. And then, so really the next step from here is to get the embed code. And I will show you where to find that on both YouTube and Vimeo. On YouTube, they have it buried a little bit. You need to choose share, and then you need to choose embed. Now, one adjustment that you're going to want to make is for the width. By default, it is 420 pixels wide, which is just a little bit too narrow to fit into the blog page. Whereas if you adjust that to 460 pixels, it will automatically adjust the height so you don't have to enter anything into that. But that will perfectly fill up the width of the blog page. And then from there, you are going to want to copy this, this embed code. You can either right-click and say copy, or you can hit Control plus C, which is what I usually end up doing. And then from here, you're going to want to paste it into this area right here. Now, before you do that, you need to go over to this tab right here and choose HTML. Anytime you're posting any raw HTML, which will only be when you're embedding videos, you need to make sure that you choose that. Otherwise, WordPress doesn't really know what to do with it. So then by pasting that, and even by going back to the visual editor now, you will see that there's a placeholder in place for that video. And then if you want, you can add a little description. You can add some captioning or whatever you would like to do. Choose the videos category and publish. And then when we go to view post, there's the post with a nice little YouTube embed. Now let's say we want to embed a Vimeo video. Process is very similar. You open up the video page, and then up in the top right hand corner you'll see this share link. You click on that and it's going to bring up the embed options, and we'll look at that. The width is already 460 pixels wide. If it's not, if for any reason, then you just come down here and you choose Customize Embed Options, and size. Let's just say it wasn't. Then you would enter 460, and it will, again, the height will automatically adjust itself. So then from there, there are a few other options down here, but I don't really mess around with that. Autoplay is really kind of obnoxious, so I like to leave that off, as is looping. So just like with YouTube, copy your embed code, and then again making sure that we're on HTML, paste it into here, add a little description, videos is chosen, and we update. And there's our embedded Vimeo video. It's really pretty simple. Let me know if you have any questions.